Hello everybody, this is Julian from JulianTechTM, and today I have my spy again, Adrian,
hello,
to help me check GPU prices. So recently I got an email saying that the prices of GPU in Singapore are at MSRP now. So we are here to check the GPU prices. The reason why I have him check instead of me is because later y'all say I'm famous and then they give me special price and all this stuff. I want to cut that out lah. And I'm not saying that I'm famous or what lah, but yeah, I just want to cut that out. So what we're gonna try to do is to check all the GPU prices, which is gonna be hard because now there's 3060 Ti, 3070 Ti, 3080 Ti, and we'll be checking for a mid-tier build price.
So what's considered mid-term to you actually?
I think what we're gonna try is a 12400F B660 DDR4 motherboard, a 3060 Ti. Yeah, I think that's the range. Yeah. Let's get on to the spying.
Let me go in and ask about prices.
Asus Dual 3060 Ti 749.
Yeah, 749 cheap 2093 only. What?
When you planning to buy? Today?
Just checking prices.
Then you WhatsApp me, can I give you the number, I quote you the price.
Sure, so I send now, is it? 829 Oh, Asus, is it?
Yeah.
So if 3060 Ti is 819, how much is 3060?
3060 is 769.
Oh, okay, can.
No, 679.
679. So cheaper, yeah, a lot cheaper.
2303.
2303, Any lower or this is the best?
This is the best because this promotion price. Last time this one graphic at 1000 plus. 1150, 1160 selling. Now it's 819 only.
Can.
Got 300.
So 2303 for this, is it?
2300 and maybe I can do.
2300. Can. Okay, I'll come back. Can I have this two first? I'll come back later. Thanks, bro. Thank you.
Done with the spying. How's the experience the second time?
It was okay lah. I mean the prices were like a lot lower than like the last time I went. Like the Asus 3060 Ti's duos were going about 700 plus, while the last time when I went there was like 1000 plus. So
Yeah.
as you can probably see in my video, it all definitely drastically decreased, which is not bad. But here's the problem: most of them are out of stock. So
Yeah, so it's like the same problem, but the thing is, even if it's out of stock, right, the more expensive one is not that crazy expensive compared to last year,
yes,
correct?
a few $50, $100
So,
extra.
okay, thank you very much,
No
and
worries.
we will go back to the studio. Yes, breaking news, GPU prices have dropped. I have talked to some people in the industry and apparently Asus was the one that dropped their GPU prices and every other brand had to react and drop their prices too. But at the moment of recording this video, it's only for Nvidia GPUs. So here are the GPU prices in Sim Lim Square when me and Adrian went there. So you can see the release MSRP prices 1 year ago, March, and prices today. The reason why there's no 3070 Ti or 3080 Ti price last year because it hasn't released yet. But before you go down to Sim Lim Square to buy your PC or GPU, here are some tips to better your experience. 1, do your research on what you need, what you want, and if it fits your budget. For compatibility, you can go to PC Part Picker. For rough prices, you can go to Carousel. Then you can go to step 2, calling a Sim Lim part store, or multiple stores actually. And this is for you to check the price and availability. Nothing sucks more than to go down there, especially if you live in Jurong or Pasir Ris or Yishun, and then you go down, sell out, or only left the expensive GPUs. Or if you look at the footage, sometimes you can just text them. And now you're ready to go to Sim Lim Square for step 3 to compare the prices at multiple stores for your build. One good example of why this is useful is because one of the stores, as you saw just now, upsell us a PC at the same specs to 2.3K when other stores were selling at $2,090. Even though they were selling the RTX 3060 Ti at a reasonable price of $810 about there, they were upselling the CPU and motherboard bundle. And when Adrian asked for a discount, they said no discount because there's already a store discount on the RTX 3060 Ti when before it was $1,100 and now it's $800. As though it was really a store discount. As though they are the one giving the discount, not the brands or the distributor. Personally, I really don't like this, so that's why it's important to check multiple stores. And the reason why I blurred the stores is because I'm not here to name and shame. I'd rather teach you how to shop at Sim Lim Square than to just tell you which store to avoid. It's like the saying, right? If you give a fish to a person, you have fed that person for 1 day. But if you teach a person how to fish, you fed that person for a lifetime. But yeah, tip number 4, buy everything at one store, standard, because they can give you a better deal. 5, be nice, you can bargain, but do it nicely. If you don't like the price, nicely decline. Sometimes they can be quite aggressive, sometimes only like 1%, 2%. Just don't need to fight on. So I did wonder why GPU prices has gone down. And my guesses are crypto prices went down in January and somewhat stabilizing, but it looks like it's growing. Or maybe it's just no new miners, like there's a cap in miners already. Maybe 2, COVID restrictions are relaxed, so you're not limited to how many people can go to the factory, so more efficiency, more people can work, better supply. The silicon shortage and chip shortage has caught up, but with the invasion of Ukraine, things could go worse for the chip shortage. Time will tell. One guess on why it's only NVIDIA GPU is because they are trying to meet demands before they start production on their 4000 series in June. So they have now until June to just concentrate on the 3000 series, and then in June they have to start working on the 4000 series in terms of production. So from now till the end of the year, they got this time to sell the 3000 series. Rumored release date for the 4000 series is October to December. So yeah, they have 6 months to sell the 3000 series. It makes sense to push their 3000 series because if let's say they release their 4000 series and people don't even have the chance to buy 3000 series, they will just not buy the 3000 series and just wait for the 4000 series. Just how it is. But yeah, this is all speculation. This is just my guess. Now is a good time to buy GPU, so go buy now. Price might drop, price might rise. Honestly, I've been predicting the GPU prices since last year and I have not been right. So prepare for the worst, hope for the best. That's all I can say. Thank you very much and I'll see you next week. And I am done.